Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math question number 43. What is the last digit in the product of 11 times 12 times 13 times 14? 他在问的是 last digit. The last digit is the ones place. Ones place. 个位。那么我们要知道 when two integers are multiply together, 当两个数乘在一起 the ones place of the product is determined by the ones place of the two multipliers. 当两个数字在相乘的时候，结果的个位是由这两个乘数决定的。I repeat again. When two integers are multiplied together, the ones place of the product is determined by the ones place of the two multipliers. Just like if we want to find the ones place, the last digit of 12 times 12. We know that 12 times 12, the answer is 144. But the last digit, which is 4, you know, the ones place of 12 and 12, two multipliers, 2 times 2 equals 4. 所以说我们的这个 4 就这么去决定了。那再找一个 13 times 11， 它的结果是130加上13。这是10个13和1个13加在一起得到的结果是143 143. But you know, 3 times 1 is 3. So as you can see, the ones place of the product is determined by these two ones place of the two multipliers. OK, 那我们现在明白了这个原理了以后，我们就可以知道了。11 times 12 times 13 times 14. The last digit, 1 times 2 first, 2. Then 2 times 3, 6. And 6 times the last one, 4, 24. And we find the last digit of the product, which is 4. The answer is 4. OK? 有的同学可能会觉得OK, 真的是这样子吗 OK, 我们来 check. Let's check. 11 times 12 times 13 times 14. As you can see, 24,024. The last digit of the product is 4. Okay? And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.